told me, bitch, don't get popped. Feel like 50, all in one swap. Ran off the plug, got too hot. We had hoes and bows in 2 spots. Pulled off Corvette, the roof shot.